Yeah.
So what are you cooking here?
At this point, I really don't know here.
Well, it looks like spinach in there, right?
It's spinach, garlic, a little bit of crushed red pepper, olive oil, and a bit of unsweetened butter.
Unsweetened butter. What are we attempting to make?
At some point, this concoction may turn into spinach gnocchi.
Oh, yum. Is that what the potatoes are over there?
Yes.
Do we have to make little balls out of them?
No, actually, the spinach gnocchi, we're going to turn the potatoes into potato dough, roll it out flat, kind of like you would a roulade.
Oh.
Spread the filling into the middle of it, roll it, cut it, cover it with butter, Parmesan cheese, and bake it.
Oh, so it's not really a pasta. It really is a potato. Oh, I didn't. Okay, so you were right.
Yeah.
It's potato with flour.
Keep that thing away.
I got Amy only on here.
Jackson,
I only got Amy on here. Don't worry about it. Jackson?
Jackson?
Jackson? Say hello to the camera. Take your binky out. Hi, camera.
Hi, Kima.
Are you happy to be here right now?
Yes.
Are you glad that we're here?
Yes.
Yeah. How old are you? How old are you?
Four.
And you have a big sister?
Olivia.
No, your
Who's
big
your big
sister.
Who's your new big sister you just met?
You don't remember?
Olivia.
John.
Who's
Olivia.
your big sister?
John. Say John.
Who's your big sister? I know she is your sister, but remember?
Your older sister,
Your-
remember?
Your big sister. Who's this, Jackson?
Hannah.
That's right.
Hannah's my best friend.
Hannah's your best friend? Yeah? You love her? You waited all your life to meet Hannah, huh?
All 2 years.
All right, Miss Amy. So what do you think of this big clan of yours? You got a big family now.
Yes, we do.
Yay. I'm not doing you. I promise. I didn't even go there. Can I scan
My
you?
head's about to do a 360.
Ooh. Hannah does the Blair Witch Project.
That was actually pretty funny, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay, over and out. Family at large. Can you guys get together for a little family picture?
Here.
Okay, Jackson, you got to get in here. Hold everyone up, and what are we going to say? Maybe Merry Christmas or something?
Merry Hanukkah.
Come on in. You got to come in, JJ. This is nice. Great picture. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas,
Merry Christmas, Hanukkah,